Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and to Triple Play Saturday round 3. And my man Fritz snapped on this watch face, you all. It's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. But let's go ahead, let's check it out and see if it's worth the download. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Listen, I'm telling you, this watch face is off the charts. Now my man Fritz has been getting down on animated watch faces. This one here is nice, but yet different. I don't know, man, he's got a knack for this one. Now, the name of the watch face is called Real 3D Rotation Globe. It's a 12, 24-hour watch face, very nice. It's blue, I'm gonna tell you that much. Now in the always on mode, it looks nice, but it looks a lot nicer when it's on. Now, first and foremost, this globe that's rotating, there's no hesitation, there's no glitch, there's nothing, just smooth rotation. Listen, this guy gets 6 thumbs up for this one in the door. Now, I'm liking this watch face. First of all, it pretty much gives you everything. Okay, so here's what you get with this watch face. At the top to the left, you can make a phone call, you can play your music, you can go in and put your water intake, you come down, you get the day of the week as well as the date. In the center, right up under the globe, you're gonna be able to get a nice legible digital time. You can get your step status info right up under there and also calories burned. Now up at the top to the right, what you'll get is floors climbed information. You can put in your coffee intake for the day. You got your battery percentage info, which is very important. Also, you get your heart rate info. Everything that this guy put in here is definitely usable, so I'm liking it. But if you look around the bezel of the watch, he has some more animation going on that makes this watch face very, very unique and nice. And it's also interactive, so if I need to go in and get more of my heart rate information, I can. I could do the same thing for if I tap on Fritz, I can go in and, tweak my settings for my watch if I need to. And you can get your weather just by simply tapping the globe. I mean, this guy gives you everything. If you need to make a phone call, you can tap on there. Music is the same way. Water intake is the same way. So he made this watch face very, very convenient for the user. And this was a paid watch face. It is now free, and we don't know how long it's gonna be free. Go download this one right away and hit me in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of this animated watch face by Fritz, because my man Fritz got down with 6 thumbs up. This guy definitely deserves it. All right, you all, I hope you all enjoying family and friends, enjoying your weekend. And if so, make sure you keep safety first. And I'll see you all at the next video. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you haven't, subscribe to my channel. And again, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.